Today I'm going to reveal to you some of the horse hockey prices that are out there right now on lumber, so stay tuned.
The prices are from St. Paul, Minnesota, and may not be the same at stores you shop at.
If you look at 7/16 OSB sheeting, the cheapest price in 2023 at Lowe's was $8.81. They're up 87% to $16.45. And Lowe's and Home Depot are always up also 87%. Their low prices in 2023 were $9.90. They're both sitting at $8.48. Now, of course, OSB translates into one of the materials that makes up zipboard. So let's take a look at what's happened with those prices. If you look at structural sheeting 7/16 zipboard, the low price in 2023 at Menards was $13.48. The price today is $27.55. Their price is up 104%. Home Depot, their low price in 2023 was $15.15. They're up 52%. Today's price is $22.98. And Lowe's has been caca on these prices for over a year. Their low price last year was $26.22. They're up 41% at a price of $36.98. Definitely not a place that you want to go shopping for a zipboard. Looking at 3/4 inch OSB subfloor sheeting tongue and groove, Menards right now is at $23.57. Their low price last year was $19.52. They're up 21% from that lowest price. Menards and Home Depot and Lowe's are both at $21.93 for their low prices in 2023. They're at $26.48, up 21%. If you look at half-inch plywood sheathing, the low price at Menards last year was $19.36. They're presently at $23.14, up 20%. Home Depot and Lowe's are both up 22%. Their low prices were $20.85. Today it's $25.38. 2x6x8s, the low price at Menards last year was $4.43. Right now you can buy it at $4.24, so their price is actually down 4% from where it was a year ago. $4.72 is the low price for both Home Depot and Lowe's, and their current price is $4.92. They're up 4% from a year ago. Now, when you look at 2x4x8s, you're getting into more bullshit pricing. Menards is up 8%. Their low in 2023 was $2.83. They're currently at $3.07. Home Depot and Lowe's are both up 16%. Their low price last year was $2.98. Price now is $3.45. And also, if we look at treated lumber, it's a mixed bag there also, but it's all bullshit. 2x6x12s, $10.99 is the low price, up 8%. $11.82 is the current price at Menards. Lowe's and Home Depot are both up 17% on 2x6x12s. Their current prices are $14.28. 2x8x12, Menards is up 10% at low price $13.55, current cost $14.88, and Menards and Home Depot are price fixing themselves in this Minnesota market, up 13% at $17.98. 4x6x12 treated, Menards is at $33.68. Their lowest price last year was $31.44. They're up 7%. Home Depot's up 11%. Their low price was $35.18. They're now at $39.08. And up 51% is Lowe's. They went from $24.67 to $37.28. Take a look at 6x6x12 treated. The low price for Menards last year was $58.91. They're currently at $74.13, up 26%. Home Depot low price last year was $50.37. Current price is $68.68. They're up 36%. And Lowe's low price last year was $50.37. Their low price was $65.18, up 29%. I'll see you the next time. Bye.